Hello everyone, welcome back to my lecture series on Hindu law. This is the third video in this series, and in this video I'll be covering topic of schools of Hindu law. In the first video we discussed who is Hindu, concept of dharma, importance of dharma shastra on legislation, to whom all this Hindu law is applicable, and what are the various Hindu laws enacted so far in the first video. And in the second video, we discussed sources of Hindu law. And in this video, we will discuss schools of Hindu law. And as you guys are aware, the entire series of this Hindu law videos is based on the textbook titled Hindu Law, written by Dr. Rakesh Ainapur, which is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Vision Bookstore. And you can also download ebook on Google Play and Amazon Kindle. Okay, coming back to our topics, today's topic, schools of Hindu law. We know that Hindu law is based on three major sources. One is Smriti, Shruti, Smriti, and followed by commentary and digest. Okay, so Shruti is for directly written by sages after hearing from a god, and Smritis written based on the memories. And finally, it is very difficult for common people to follow Smritis because these were shlokas and hymns. So that was simplified and written in by scholars, and which are called as commentary and digest. This we discussed in detail. Okay, so there are two important commentaries for a digest, which is Mitakshara and Dayabaga, which are based on these smritis, being followed in India for a long time. Okay, there are many other variations, but these are two most popular digests which people are following. Mitakshara school is being followed across India other than Bengal and Assam, and Dayabaga school is being followed in Bengal and Assam region. There are slight regional variations in Mitakshara school. Banaras for North Indian region, Mithila Hindu Law School is for UP, Bihar and Nepal. Maharashtrian Law School is for, or Bombay Law School is for Gujarat and Maharashtra. Punjabi Hindu Law School is for Punjabi and Chandigarh people. And Dravidian Hindu Law School is popular in South India. And again, there is a Mysore Hindu Law School also, which is a slighter variations from Dravidian Hindu Law School. These are sub schools of Mitakshara. So everything follows the same thing, but with some regional variations. Okay, so Mitakshara school is the most popular school of Hindu law in India, which is popular across India other than West Bengal and Assam. Okay, so this Mitakshara commentary is based on Yagnavalka's Smriti. Okay, this commentary is written by Vigneshwara. Okay, this is a comprehensive commentary which covers the property or inheritance matter, property rights, and family related matters. Okay, Mitakshara school is based on Yagnavalka Smriti written by Vigneshwara, and it is this commentary is called as Mitakshara, and it is popular across India, and it covers topics like inheritance, property rights, and family matters. There are various sub-schools as we discussed in the earlier slide itself. Dravidian school, Maharashtra or a Bombay school, Banaras school, Mithila school and Punjab school. So slighter variation, that is a regional variations which we can find. Okay. What are the key principles of this school is? Are one is right by birth. Any child any child born in a family is eligible for right in a property, whether his parent is alive or not alive, that doesn't matter. When a child or a son or a grandson or a great grandson born in a family, they get a right in a property, which is called as property by birth. Okay, and second part of this is it supports joint family system and a co-parcenary. What is joint family system? It is a Hindu undivided family which has the ownership and everything is managed by like ownership is managed when ownership is with karta, but it is everybody is having equal share in the family businesses. So we will talk about joint family system and co-parcenary in a later videos. Okay, first principle is right by birth, and it supports joint family system. And the third one is widow's right. In case of any brother dies, in that case, Mitakshara school allows widow to succeed. If brother dies, brother's widow is eligible to be part of that family share. Okay, so the entire brother share will go to that widow. That's what we commonly see in every property disputes in most of the Indian places. So this is all about Mitakshara school. If you have any doubts on this, put a question in the comment box and I'm happy to answer on those questions. So three principles of Mitakshara school is right by birth, accept joint family system, recognizes joint family system, and widow will get a share for deceased brother in the family matters. Okay. Moving on, various variations of Mitakshara school. The first one is Banaras Hindu Law School, which was based out of Varanasi or a Banaras, what we call. This is again as same as Mitakshara school with a slight variation, which is the school is authored by Mitra Mishra, and Mithila Law School, popular in Bihar, Nepal, and Uttar Pradesh. So this is written by Vachaspati. This is commentary is called as Vivat Chintamani. So all these schools are as same as Mitakshara, but with a slight variations. So you can go through the detailed text for each of these schools here. Then Maharashtra Law School, Punjab Law School, Dravidian Law School. Okay, this was written by Smriti, like Devanand Bhatta. This commentary is called as Smriti Chandrika. So, like this, we have five variations of Mitakshara school. Most important now, Dayabaga school, which is popular in Bengal and Assam region, right? And this is based on Dayabaga commentary, which is written by Jimuta Vahana. Okay, Dayabaga school is based on the commentary written by Jimuta Vahana, which is the commentary's name is Dayabaga. Dayabaga means Daya means compassion. So the light of compassion. Okay, so this is applicable for Bengal and Assam region. Scope and coverage. Again, this also talks about family matters, inheritance, partition. Okay, what is the difference principles in Dayabaga school compared to Mitakshara? Right by inheritance. In Mitakshara school, it is not a right by birth. People like a child will get a property rights only after the death of his father. So it is a ownership on father's death. Child will not be entitled for any property rights on birth, only by after the death of fathers, after the father's death only child is eligible for property rights. Any questions? If you have any questions, please put it in a comment box and I'm happy to answer those questions. And when compared to in Mitakshara school, widow was eligible to get property shares. But here in Dayabaga school, widow will not succeed to the deceased husband share, but she is entitled for a maintenance. Okay, so the other third important part of Dayabaga school is widow's right. Widows is entitled for maintenance, but not a share in the property. So this is the basic differences between Dayabaga school and Mitakshara school. In Mitakshara school, right is by birth. Here it is by inheritance, means it is on the deaths of a father. Widow's right, in Mitakshara school, widows are eligible for the share in a property after husband's death. But here, widows are not eligible for a share in the property, but they are eligible for maintenance. And there are no regional variations here. It is popular only in Bengal and Assam regions. That's all about Dayabaga school. Guys, let's see what are the differences between Mitakshara and Dayabaga school quickly, because I explained this concept multiple times already. What are the key differences? Joint family and co-parcenary. Mitakshara school recognizes it. Sons, grandsons, great grandsons will get right at the time of birth itself, and property is completely owned jointly by all the parties, and Karta is going to manage it. Okay, and the principle of survivorship applies among the co-partners. If one person dies, then the inheritance will come into picture. In case of Dayabaga school, it is not a joint family by birth. It is only father dies, then only the childs are going to get a rights in a property. So survivorship is not recognized among co-heirs. Widow's rights and inheritance, we discussed this. Widow, in case of Mitakshara school, she will get a share. Okay, but here in case of Dayabaga school, she will not get any share. She is eligible for only maintenance. One other important aspect of Dayabaga school is a Pinda offering. It is not only a property dealing, like okay, it doesn't deal, Dayabaga scale that does not deal only with the material property division. It also says that Pinda offering, which is a spiritual benefit. But in case of Mitakshara school, there is no question of Pinda offering and spiritual aspects. It is all about materialistic, how property is to be divided. And we saw applicability. Except Bengal and Assam, all other regions, Mitakshara schools are there. But in case of Dayabaga, it is popular only in Bengal and Assam. Principles of inheritance, it is by birth, it is by father's death. Widow maintenance, not applicable in Mitakshara school, and it is there in Dayabaga school. That's all, guys, on Mitakshara and Dayabaga school. These are the two major schools in Hindu law, and I hope I'm able to explain the basic concepts of Mitakshara school and Dayabaga school. If you have any doubts, please put your comments in comment section, and don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and put your honest feedbacks in a comment box so I can improve my videos, upcoming videos, and if required, I can modify and re-upload this video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.